nígbà tá Akeem kọ́kọ́ tó kó bọ́ Sisi Alagbo tó kọ́kọ́ dó ṣé wọ́n yàtà lórí àga ni ó ṣe sílẹ̀kùn kó jáde.
wọ́n wá yọ̀ nbì kan wọ́n fi síbì kan wọ́n yọ̀ nbì kan wọ́n fi ata.
Èmi ti bàjẹ́.
Don't cry, ayé ò bàjẹ́, ayé ò calm down. Calm down, ayé ò bàjẹ́, calm down.
Queen.
Ma?
So moko engineer bo moko engineer.
No, ma.
The way you were looking when you were doing it, to me, is your consent also.
No, it's not my consent. They forced me into it, and I was
You knew but won't record it, yes or no?
Because when I saw the camera, I questioned her. She said, no, that she's not saving it, that they just want to watch it.
Why? Kilo for recording. Anything you recorded can leak at any fucking time.
But nígbà tá ń ṣe yẹn wọ́n tó Sisi Alagbo ń bẹ̀ náà lórí stage yẹn ó tó wá bọ́ sórí tiẹ̀ náà.
Yes, ma.
Bí tó yẹ kẹ́ ti mú point ni wípé ó ní wọ́n fún un lọ́tí mu. Ṣé onú mọ́tò wọn ti drug ẹni kó tó rí pé ó join wọn in the threesome journey?
You did not commit crime for having threesome. Your sexual intimacy that was mutual was published against your will. That is your case.
Mo máa gba lọ́yà fún ẹ. Ìyẹn tó ṣe yẹn ó wà intentioned. It's a pre-planned.
First of all, it's a criminal offense. You should be making a case with them because now you are subject to being ridiculed, which is supposed to be something between both of you. It's supposed to be a three-way fun.
To my assumption, bó ṣe ń rojọ́ kì í ṣe ẹ̀kan ni wọ́n ti ń ṣe. Ìyẹn ló máa gbọ́ fún lọ́yà.
Ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì náà ti ṣe. Wọ́n ṣe kan nílé, wọ́n dẹ̀ tún lọ ṣe kan lóòtẹ́ẹ̀lì.
Abomination ni. Kí ló dé tí Sisi Alagbo àtọkọ ẹ̀ ń bá yé àwọn ọmọ àwọn gẹ̀ẹ́sì ẹ̀gẹ́ due to poverty?
It is well o, èmi ń dájọ́ o. Àmì ìrora bayé jẹ́ ẹran tí pé ẹ bímọ bógun bá jẹ lọ́gbọ̀n jẹbọ gbogbo kíní ìyá tẹ̀lé lára àwọn ọmọ yín.
Friday, January 30th, there was a transfer of 20,000 that was sent from Akeem to you.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You responded You responded with any suru efimiatele. You responded with thank you, baby, with 3 love emoji. He replied with oh. He said, do you mean I took you to paradise with my dick? You responded. You responded, yes now. Do you see the way I was screaming? That was you, nigga. So please stop this behavior.
They want to manipulate the public.
They did not manipulate you. They canvass you into this shit. You were
What is manipulation in this message we just saw?
So, ẹ̀yin méjèèjì jọ wà lórí bed, ó jọ ṣe fẹ́ méjèèjì at the same time ni o, àbí? Calm down. Pẹ̀lẹ́.
Don't worry, calm down.
That's why you are here now.
Ó ní di therapy o. Ṣé rí tí poverty máa dálẹ̀. Mo dẹ̀ máa ń sọ fún yín pé mindset ní poverty kò sẹ́ni tó lọ́n big with poverty. If you work, you will make it. Ọmọ yìí, Queen.
Ma?
So mo kó engineer bó mo kó engineer. Mo máa gba lọ́yà fún ẹ.
Wọ́n fẹ́ gba lọ́yà fún ẹ. Mama, do you know speaking? Do you know Mama Esabod?
I don't lie. Tí gbọ́dọ̀ sọ ẹni tó wà local government tó pè mí lé nìkan fẹ́ gba lọ́yà fún ẹ ní Kòròdú.
Wọ́n ní ẹ̀kọ́ ti pè on your behalf.
Tí n bá parọ́ tí ogun ọ̀run kó fìyà jẹ mí. Èmi ò ń ṣe pé irọ́.
No ma.
But nígbà tá ń ṣe yẹn wọ́n tó Sisi Alagbo ń bẹ̀ náà lórí stage yẹn ó tó wá bọ́ sórí tiẹ̀ náà.
Yes, ma.
Ta ló mèrè ṣe jù ní ìwà àti Sisi Alagbo? Ta ni Akeem kọ́kọ́ dónú ẹ̀yin méjèèjì jọ láti fi practicalize?
Previous days then I cannot remember. Sorry, I was not in my right sense.
Gbádùn. Ṣé wọ́n lóògùn fún ẹ láti inú ilé ẹ̀ tó fi múra tó kọ ní sókè?
Wọ́n lóògùn fún mi because I was not in my right sense.
Okay, wọ́n lóògùn fún ẹ, wọ́n wọ́ ẹ sínú mọ́tò láti ilé ọ̀dọ̀ rẹ̀.
You are not helping this up.
This is something that is traumatizing me.
You are not helping yourself.
Sórí bó jẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ bí pọ́ṣẹ́ gan ò ń ṣe pọ́ṣẹ́ bàbá lókà ọmọ tálákà
Ó fa kàná
ni ẹ bá dá lóhùn.
Ọmọ ọ̀tá ní street girl ní rọ́ǹsì ni ẹ́.
Ọmọ tó ń fa láàbù.
Báyìí sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá dìde ẹ́.
Mi ò kí ń ṣe street girl ma.
Nígbà tá Akeem kọ́kọ́ tó kó bọ́ Sisi Alagbo tó kọ́kọ́ dó. Ṣé wọ́n yàtà lórí àga ni? Ó ṣe sílẹ̀kùn kó jáde.
Ó ti kọ́ ti màmá.
Ọmọ ẹ ti fa kàná yóò dà. Ó kọ́kọ́ ló Sisi Alagbo kó tó dú ẹ. Ó dẹ̀ ni wọ́n wọ́n fún ẹ lóògùn oògùn bó ló ṣe mọ̀.
mọ́mì wọ́n ní December ni wedding ẹ̀ o.
Ètí ọ̀sẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ òun tiẹ̀ tí ìwọlé ọkọ àti ilé ìbú about to ni Sisi Alagbo tó wà ní ọkọ tó.
Can you let people talk?
I will come you soon. I want to tell you something.
Mamutu.
Èké ní therapy ẹ̀.
Èké ìgbàjẹ́.
ẹ wo ọkàn tó tiẹ̀ yé kò fẹ́ kí social media gbọ́ ó dẹ̀ ìbò àbáṣe ó dẹ̀ bá èké sọ̀rọ̀.
ọmọ burúkú from day one ni gbogbo bóyá ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ọmọ burúkú kan ni for day one.
Ṣé queen ṣáwà ló máa rí?
No, queen yẹn ọmọ yẹn ń ṣọmọ gidi from day one.
Kì í ṣe ẹni kì í ṣe ọmọ gidi Big Paul báwo ni ọkọ mi kú jẹ́ mẹ́ta.
Màámi mo ti ń kí yín látàárọ̀ ẹ̀wò side mi.
Ìǹtí ẹ̀ wò járe ọkọ mi ọlọ́mọ burúkú ìyàwó ilé tó ń lé àwọn girls pé kí wọ́n á dọ̀kọ̀. Under kila pé open relationship ni wọ́n wà or something like that. Ṣé wọ́n fún lọ́tí mu? Bí tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ ti mú point ni wípé ó ní wọ́n fún lọ́tí mu.
Yes.
Accepted wọ́n fún lọ́tí mu. Kó tó di pé fẹsẹ̀ ara ẹ̀rìn dé bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe ń follow program pẹ̀lú tó ń sọ. Ó ní Sisi Alagbo ó sọ wípé ọkọ òun láìkí ẹ kó wá bá a ṣe fantasy. Ṣé ó tún fún lóògùn oorun bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Why tí ò fi decline tí ì bá ṣe yìí tó ti ní experience ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀? Ẹ̀pọ̀rọ̀ tèmi mọ́ ń yàtọ̀ sí gbogbo èèyàn. Wọ́n ti pre-inform díẹ̀ kó tó fẹsẹ̀ rìn ẹ̀ lọ sótẹ́l. Tó bá yá pé ọmọ tán bí nílé eré ni ó yẹ kó sọ pé kí lẹ́ ń sọ èkó dẹ̀ block wọn straight. So ìtọ́ ẹ̀kan wọ́n ti ń ṣe to my assumption bó ṣe ń rojọ́ kì í ṣe ẹ̀kan ni wọ́n ti ń ṣe. Omúyàn ní godmother o ti ẹ̀ bẹ̀rù ẹ̀mí ìyá ẹ̀ tó bí ẹ o bẹ̀rù ẹ̀ kọ́mọ̀tẹ̀ máa lọ fẹ́ ṣe oògùn owó. Wọ́n ti mú ẹjọ́ tẹ̀tò ní Sisi Alagbo pẹ̀ yìí pé ọkọ mi fẹ́ ní threesome pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ṣé wọ́n lóògùn fún ẹ tó fi ṣe yes. Bòbí ẹ lérí o need therapy. Ó bẹ́tà kó gba kádàrà kó padà sí school ẹ̀ bíkọ́ gbogbo àgbáyé dé lóyìnbó ló ti rí fídíò yẹn. Gbogbo àgbáyé pátápátá tó ń bá wá fi nǹkan sínú ọtí fún ẹmu lótẹ́ẹ̀lì báwo ló ṣe dótẹ́ẹ̀lì ṣé onú mọ́tò wọn ti dúrọ́ọ̀gì ẹni kó torí pé ó join wọn in the threesome journey. Ìwé àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ I don't do a case on bias with prejudice ipe mo kórìíra ẹnìkan ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ ó hí ìta rẹ̀ because ẹnìkan ṣe pè mí lẹ́yìn láti Kòròdú wípé a máa gba lọ́ọ̀yà fún bèbí bọ̀ bó ṣe rojọ́ ìyẹn tó ń ṣe yẹn ó wà intentioned is a pre-planned ó wà pre-planned so tọmọ yẹn tiẹ̀ nìyẹn de kí ni mission Sisi Alagbo àti engineer kẹwò amẹ́ni obìnrin ni wọ́n ti sọ fún mi rí kọ́mẹ̀ntì ẹnìkan tó sọ pé òun náà experience threesome yẹn lọ́wọ́ wọn òun kọ́mẹ̀ntì pé kán gbé òun dìde. níbí yes I was reading.
mi ò dẹ̀ máa bí comment if your ear come up o mi ò mọ mi ò rí o àwọn ọmọ jẹ́tọ̀ náà ò rí.
Báwo ni engineer Alagbo ṣe máa ní ọmọ obìnrin sílé with his age? If not pé tó fi ń ṣiṣẹ́ nìyẹn òun àti ìyàwó òun àti Sisi Alagbo. Ká ní young boy ló ṣe kíní ní ìsìn tí ó marry tí ó wà connected we could have said wípé but ọkùnrin tó marry tó ti bímọ ó lọ́mọ ọdún 10 náà kí tán fi lọ I'm sure pé kẹ́yìn ń parọ́ wọ́n san owó fún.
Dákẹ́ màmá ló sọ̀rọ̀ dákẹ́ grandma ló sọ̀rọ̀ Mama Esabod ló sọ̀rọ̀ dákẹ́.
Okay jẹ́ kó lódà bó ṣe ń dáhùn this is what we call.
Tọ́mọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ ti pè wọ́n náà pa kéésì ẹ̀kọ́ fẹ́ gba lọ́ọ̀yà ó dákẹ́ o.
Wàláì tàlàì tí n bá parọ́ kọ́ lọ́n kó fìyà jẹ mí èèyàn kan pè mí ní ànáwá ègò ará Ìkòròdú ni èèyàn Kòròdú ni tó dẹ́
ọmọ Kòròdú náà ló ń gbé.
Wọ́n tó gbójú ọmọ Kòròdú pa àwọn fẹ́ gba lọ́ọ̀yà fún but you hate yourself. Débi mo bẹ́ ṣe fẹ́ yanjú ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ lọ́ọ̀yà o. Ìgbà tó rí pé tí ìbá ṣe pé òwò tó ti ń ṣe you knew pé wọ́n ń record ẹ̀ yes or no you knew and you continue. Ìwọ náà record wọn. Mélòó lẹ ti jọ ṣe, if I may ask you. Ìyẹn ló máa gbọ́ fún lọ́ọ̀yà.
Because ó ti cut. Only I can't start this life. Ó tún sunkún.
Sunkún bá wo, yẹ kí n sọ fún ẹ, ó gbà kádàrá ò lè change school torí gbogbo school ló ti ní lọ́wọ́ pátá. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé onílé ìwé o ní education kó tó go on that journey?
Màámi ṣebí trendy sọ ń bíbá yìí pé ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì náà ti ṣe é pé wọ́n ṣe kan nílé wọ́n dẹ̀ tún lọ ṣe kan lótẹ́ẹ̀lì.
Iṣẹ́ tọmọ yẹn ń ṣe nìyẹn, ẹ̀dẹ̀ pọ̀ tẹ́ ń ṣerú ẹ̀. Abomination ni. Ìyí tí mo fi sọ nípa Sisi Alagbo àtọkọ ẹ̀ ni pé kí ni Leviticus ẹ bá mi wò bẹ́ẹ̀ chapter 20:10 sọ ó ní tíyàwó ilé bá ń ṣe àgbèrè àbí tọkọ ilé bá ń ṣe àgbèrè tó níyàwó tó dẹ̀ lọ́kọ ó ní kán gbé wọn síta kán lẹ̀wọ̀n lóko pa kán pa wọ́n dànù. Bíbélì àti Kòránì ló sọ. Kí ló dé tí Sisi Alagbo àtọkọ ẹ̀ ń bá yé àwọn ọmọ àwọn gẹ̀ẹ́sì yẹn gẹ́ due to poverty? Bó ti bá ti gẹ́ yẹn wí gẹ́ yẹn ebi ò gbà pọ̀ wọ́n dúrọ̀gẹ̀. Iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe nìyẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti ṣe more than 2 times gan iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe nìyẹn. Báwo ló ṣe rí fantasy èèyàn níyàwó méjì ìyàwó ẹ̀ wá ìkànnì wọn wá pẹ̀ pé mọ́ ọ̀bọ̀ wá dọ́kọ̀ mi o wá nígbà tó dó tẹ́ẹ̀lì ni wọ́n dúrọ̀gì ẹ̀ ọmọ ìmúlẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ gẹ̀ẹ́sì lè máa mọ̀ tó ń sọ àgbàlagbà lè ní ìrírí ayé.
Mọ́mí ọmọ 23 years ni o.
Kì í ṣe ọmọdé náà kì í ṣe ọmọdé ní pé ìgbà tí ò wá lọ tọ́lẹ́ẹ̀tì o wá ṣe kí ni kan báwo ló ṣe don't tell in the first case why you didn't decline gbàtàn fi lò ẹ tó bá ń ṣọmọ burúkú.
Outside your will, your argument against whether it's consensual or not can be arguable. You understand? It is arguable, so you don't really have stronghold there. Your stronghold is publishing. See, we can go from a moral point of view to say you did not commit crime for having threesome. Mo ti ṣeré bọ̀ mo sì fẹ́ ṣe lágbára Ọlọ́run. So it's not anything. It's not anything. So don't let anybody gaslight or shame, guilt you for any reason. Oga, publishing it, you have a case because you work on the post there. There's someone can to post there. So that is where you have a case. So
now, okay, we are ready to help you now. Help yourself. Down to the tone of the people of Abi only can help. Actually, this is now
based on what Mr. Victor said now, what is the subject matter of petition to conceal police?
Oh yeah. So if your petition is that one look for rubbish, you don't have a stronghold there.
Because it's just as rubbish as nothing. So basically subject of petition to conceal police.
Your petition should be that your sexual intimacy that was mutual was published against your will. That is your case. You should sue them for first of all, it's a criminal offense. So you should be making a case with them because now you are subject to public dragging. You are subject to being ridiculed, which is supposed to be something between both of you. It's supposed to be a three-way phone. So is not the point. You should be making a case for publishing. That's what I came here to say. Thank you.
In that light, I think she should resubmit her petition. I'm sure the petition is not strong enough.
Ẹ má bínú mo gba phone call kan nísìn.
Okay.
Lady tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí má pa irọ́ o. Má parọ́. Mo ní question kan fún ẹ. Tó bá gẹ́gẹ́ bí nǹkan tí Victor King sọ nísìn, tó bá jẹ́ pé o fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa publishing, o ní kéèsì lórí ẹ̀. Èwo ló mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀? Ṣé ìyí tẹ́ ẹ jọ ṣe nínú ilé ni àbí ìyí tẹ́ ẹ jọ ṣe lóòtẹ́ẹ̀l? Torí ìsìnẹ́rù kan ti kọ́kọ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ kó tó wá di hòtẹ́ẹ̀l dé. Èwo ló mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀? Torí ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì ló ṣẹlẹ̀.
It was ever happened because the hotel, the only one that happened was when they called.
Are you telling me pé kankan ò ṣẹlẹ̀ nílé?
Yes, they called me to put me inside the car. She asked me to follow up with her husband.
She asked you to follow up with her husband.
With her husband.
Okay,
yes.
okay. Me, I want to ask a question. I want to ask a question. Okay. Now, please. I just call me.
I'm saying this thing like this. I mean, maybe somebody can be with you because I'm not okay.
You cannot die.
My love.
I'm not okay. I never even expected that I was going to come on here and say.
Calm down. You cannot die. Just calm down. Just calm down. Ìwọ náà pé a máa pe mọ́mí àwọn nǹkan bí àwọn àgbàlagbà ló máa mọ́mí mi sọ not me. I'm not in position to talk to your mother. Àwọn àgbàlagbà tó jóbi náà máa bá mọ́mí ẹ̀ sọ because there's not. Let's
be sincere. Lady kan ṣe pity party.
I'm trying around like to make me suicidal. Mi ò fẹ́ ẹjọ́.
Madam, shut up jare. Suicidal wo lo wá sọ? Ṣé suicidal of interest in everybody? Show Mugbo. See. Like Mr. Victor said, and that's what I was saying. You don't have a case. The only case you have is just them publishing it without your consent.
Why is there exactly? Don't ever want to yes.
The only case Tony need to publish here without
exactly. Go post the video.
Oh, me any audio. What of one look you shut up, madam. That cannot.
This
what of one look you Wale me court of law. The only thing to mama fight is they won't violate rights. They won't publish it without your consent. That is just the only thing.
Exactly.
Nothing more than that.
Hey Joe, please face that one. The way I'm saying it, I'm not happy. I just want to end it, please.
Okay.
Hey Joe, for my
AK, ẹ má bínú. Ó dàbí wípé a ti ń sọ lọ́rọ̀ ká fọwọ́ra lórí díẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jù sí lára díẹ̀. Arábìnrin, ẹ já jù sí lára díẹ̀. Wá.
Torí gbogbo ẹ́ńjì yẹn ò ní ìbúrò àwa báyìí.
Àtùpà ẹ máa wòran tí yín jàre. Ìgbà tí wọ́n ń ṣe kinní yìí fún ẹ, ìgbà tó ń dún gbàgbàgbà tó ń dún, ó mọ̀ pé wà tí sì ń gbà yẹn right? Now, nígbà tó wá bí ń sìn, wọ́n ti sọ the right thing fún ẹ, ọ̀gbẹ́ni dákẹ́ náà. Wọ́n ti sọ the right thing fún ẹ. Dákẹ́. Wọ́n ti sọ the right thing fún ẹ wípé o ò ní case lórí pé ẹjọ́ ṣe àyọ̀bẹ́ ẹjọ́ ṣe. Tán bá gbé evidence jáde fún ẹ wípé consent ẹni because I'm very sure after all those things wọ́n lè fún ẹ lówó pé òkè ó yá gbà lọ fi jẹun. Wọ́n máa lówó yẹn against ẹ. Má gbàgbé o, wọ́n á sọ pé owó yẹn làwọn sọ fún ẹ fún nǹkan táwọn ṣe. So all those things that tó ń wá bíbá ìwà sọ yìí kò ní any move lára wa kan. So the issue is wọ́n ti sọ òótọ́ fún ẹ, Mr. Victor ti sọ òótọ́ fún ẹ. The only thing you need now is báwo ni fídíò ẹ ṣe jáde.
That is
I'm very sure that is it. I'm very sure tí fídíò yẹn ò bá jáde tán bá tún pè ẹ wá ṣe míì tó dùn mọ́ ẹ wá padà lọ síbẹ̀. That is the fact. Stop doing like kinní. Ìwọ tó lè dákẹ́ láti January títí dìsìn. January màlúù àbí February màlúù ti dákẹ́ títí dìsìn ò máa sọ anything.
January for end of Feb.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni mẹ́kún kúrò lẹ̀ ẹkún kọ́ ló fẹ́ sọ problem ẹ̀ whatever
wọ́n ní o máa ṣe dákẹ́
whatever ẹkún ẹ̀yẹ ní èmi lára jọ ẹkún ẹ̀ ní mi lára.
Mo tún gba
ẹkún kọ́ ní sí ibà yìí now you are what you are fighting for is why you video leak outside
mo tún gba fóònù kan ọ̀gbẹ́ni wá ẹkún yẹn wá aláyé àwọn èèyàn ti bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá fẹ́ fara balẹ̀ kó gbọ́. Tó bá fẹ́ fara balẹ̀
náà ò make sense mọ́ ọ̀gbẹ́ni.
Now mo ní ìbéèrè kan fún gẹ́yì tó bá dẹ̀ parọ́ níbí báyìí má parọ́ nǹkan tí Victor King sọ yẹn ni kò ra dúró lé lórí kò dẹ̀ maintain champion ẹ̀ kọ́tẹ́ Victor sọ nínú bọ́ọ̀sì. Mo fẹ́ bi ẹ́ ní question kan ní ìjọ kan wà Sisi Alagbo wa bá ẹ ó dẹ̀ bi ẹ́ léèrè pé nǹkan báyìí ṣe o ti ṣe rí òun náà o ti ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kan rí. Wait a minute, my dear.
Hold on, let them land. This is Oshimaso. This
is mi ò tẹ kó má gbọ́ òdókó ni kó má gbọ́.
Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ jìnnà fi bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ṣe threesome fún ẹ? Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ jìnnà ṣe threesome fún ẹ?
Queen, let people talk. You will stop. Calm down. Oh, for your love, so báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ rí in case?
Okay. Scenario kọ́kọ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé tí wọ́n ní kó wà recorded. Gẹ́yì ó yẹ kó ṣe wedding. Gẹ́yì ó yẹ
kó ṣe wedding.
Eléyìí ó ní relationship torí mo wà lókè ìmọ̀ ń gbọ́ information. Ó mọ̀ kó wà ní relationship tó yẹ pé yàrá pé NDDC àbílẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ló fẹ́ wed. Tó wá sọ pé ayé ò gbọdọ̀ bàjẹ́ pé táyé ẹ bá bàjẹ́ Akeem ló máa yá fẹ́.
That was when they did the whole thing. That was when they did the whole thing.
Lè mọ̀ pé mo ń gba information.
Come and manipulate the case.
Okay, ṣé ìwọ sọ pé táyé bá
ó
bá
possible kí lady ẹ máa manipulate yín náà ṣe understand ó lè fẹ́ lo wọ́n ó lè fẹ́ lo against her o ṣe mọ̀ ṣá.
mo kàn béèrè ni o Victor King go ahead.
Okay,
Sisi Alagbo ló sọ pé Akeem gbọ́dọ̀ fẹ́ tí ayé ẹ̀ bá bàjẹ́.
Akeem.
So ayé ẹ̀ ti wá bàjẹ́ báyìí Sisi Alagbo Akeem gbọ́dọ̀ fẹ́ ọmọ yìí.
Let me talk to this girl for a minute.
Akeem gbọ́dọ̀ fẹ́ ẹ̀ má wọrí. Wọ́n gbọ́ ní sùúrù wọ́n fẹ́ bẹ̀ sí wọn.
Bí ó máa lọ takami wọn last ọdí ó ti.
Sisi me, like I told you, I think you are backing at the wrong dog. And I think you should focus more on making a case with publishing you outside your will. I put it to you. Now, I just got up now to just like tell you that you should focus on making a claim. Trust me, immediately. I think you really don't know people who are talking to you. Information is already reaching me. I put it to you. Are you not AY? I put it to you that whatever you have with.
No, please. I want to be anonymous, please.
Okay,
Anonymous.
So we will keep it like that.
Anonymous.
Listen, AY can be anybody's name, so that's not your name. I have your government name. I'm not going to mention it. Now, I put it to you, my dear, that whatever you have with those couples was very consensual. And I have more than enough evidence for it. So, me, I don't do culture of shame. I'm not interested in dragging you. In fact, I can find somebody for dragging you. But I think you should not be fooling people here by making a claim that it wasn't consensual. On the 30th of Friday, January 30th, there was a transfer of 20,000 that was sent from Akeem to you.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You responded with any suru. You responded with thank you, baby, with 3 love emoji. He asked you, nigga, nisuru. I am reading your chat right now. I am reading your
Who
chat.
said you should follow up with that? Only pé any suru. Only pé Sisi Alagbo sọ fún òun ní pé kóun follow up pẹ̀lú ọkọ òun lòun ṣe ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
Okay, so do you still when I say you don't have a claim that it is not consensual? Because if you make a claim and they present this that I'm reading, maybe you will look very stupid. You will look very stupid. Now, my dear, they say you should follow up on when was this? I don't see it. You bought him a gift. Listen, you bought him a gift.
Calm down, your mom. We'll call your mom. Our black mama.
You bought him a gift.
So they send number mommy see me.
A body spray.
Abẹ́fẹ́ máa pe mọ́mì létà jẹ́ kí ìwọ ṣàgbá nọ́mbà. Abẹ́fẹ́ ló mọ mọ́mì bá sọ̀rọ̀.
Ogunde.
You bought this guy, Akeem, a gift. It's an element body spray. Body spray cannot be an element. You send it to him. He said, thanks for the gift. You said, well, you responded with, you are welcome, with 3 love emoji. You said, do you like it? He said, I love it. The one that caught my interest is this.
Anytime I'm going to Ibadan,
after the day, no, listen. After the day that you had the incident. No. After the day you had the incident, right? You were the one who reached out to him to ask him if he's home.
Your name needs to
He asked you if you are home, you said you are not home. And then you ask him what time he's going out. You said, good morning, with 3 love emoji again, the next day. He said, good morning, trust you slept well. Nisuru, my friend.
Calm down.
You said, you responded.
Yes. You will defend yourself. Calm down now.
And then, Akeem Nisuru, and then I just say, how about you? And then your next statement was, last night was a blast. That was you. He said, he replied with, oh. He said, do you mean I took you to paradise with my dick? You responded. You responded, yes. Now, do you see the way I was screaming? That was you, nigga. So please stop this behavior. Stop this behavior. Let me emphasize this. I am not party to judging you. I am just saying stop calling everybody idiots. And I think you are making a wrong claim. See, girl, alone, you want to make matter complicated for yourself. Victor, focus on making a claim on publishing this thing.
That's what you're supposed to focus on. Why did they post your video?
This shit is consensual.
Forget about that right now. Why did they post your video?
You are saying that they want to manipulate the public.
They did not manipulate you. They canvass you into this shit. You were
what is manipulation in this message we just saw?
Manipulation. Don't let people be dragging you. I will not drag.
Okay, Victor, hold on. Victor, so now you are coming here now, after you've been here for more than 45 minutes, and saying that you did not consent, they drugged you. Hey, Joe, hold on. You said you did not consent, they drugged you, they didn't give you any money, alone, boy, I swear, nothing. After all of that, Victor has now come online to say, oh, well, the only case you have is to say that you didn't give consent for that to be released to media. Now you're saying, yes, I want justice because I didn't give consent. Mo are very sorry, okay. Joanne Morule, me why can feel like a continue showing.
What about 20K? Can you
about 20K? What to wrap 20K?
So let me establish they are in a relationship.
The question is this: what month did you move to their house? Because we have to know that. We want to know the relationship. How far
last year, and I did not even move there fully. I didn't move there fully. I was always, because I have an apartment in Ikorodu here, so I'm always up and going because of my business. I finished from last Protect, so I just want to go and further more at Ibadan, and it is not even my wish. My only just want to force me to finish before my younger sister finishes, because my younger sister is already in 300 level. And
but let's just be sincere to ourselves, sis. Your reaction, or how will I put it? The way you were looking when you were doing it, to me, is your consent also.
No, it's not my consent. They forced me into it, and I was they dropped my thing.
Okay, calm down.
It's not my consent.
So are you drunk? Are you high? Are you drunk when they are doing the video?
Yes, I was. I was very weak, and I still questioned her, because when I saw the camera, I questioned her. She said, no, that she's not saving it, that they just want to watch it together.
Were doing whatever they were doing. Did you at any time blank out? Did you blank out at any time? Were you fully awake?
Yes. I told them. That was when they now assured me that they are not saving any video, and it was not even my consent. It was still under threat.
Okay, and did you at that moment realize that they were taking a video?
Yes, I realized, and I stopped her.
And did you at any point say no?
Yes, I said no. I said no to it. It was not my consent at all. I did not agree to it at all.
And when you said no, what was the woman's response? Is this Sisi Alagbo? What was her response?
She has threatened me before, so she made me feel like she's not saving it. That why would she save it? That she's matured than this. And I still made sure that they deleted it before.
No, you didn't get my question. Did you at any point say no to the encounter, the sexual encounter?
No, it was not my consent. Yes, I said no. I didn't agree to it.
All right, sorry, Falashade. Sorry, thank you. I also asked one question. My question is that before this scenario happened, have they ever tell you about this TV song before? Did you accept or not? What TV song will you be?
I did not accept. That's why I said they threatened me that since they've told me about it, I must do it, and I must follow up with her husband.
All right. Okay, when I'm getting the point. When does someone you go watch a TV song?
Yes.
Why told people who nearby?
And you want to threaten me already that boy, I cannot go and say no, because if I say no, they are public figure and they are dragging her online, that she does not want any dragging. And I'm sure that these people use jazz on me, because she's always threatening her workers and everybody.
So you to be TikTok. Yes, so you buy your boy. Mommy, TikTok.
Wow, my dear, let me tell you something.
Already.
Your video is all over already. So mommy and Mary already. Mommy and them are going.
You talk to
your mom. Just calm down about that. You talk to your mom. Calm down. You are not the first. I don't want my name to be outside. I'm very suicidal. I'm the one calling you now. Nobody knows your page. Nobody knows anything about you. I'm going to ask you.
My voice.
question tẹ́lẹ̀ fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni ṣé òun gangan ti rí fídíò yẹn fún rẹ̀.
Mi ò rí. I've not seen it ever since.
Oh, see the video. Màá send it sí ẹ.
Ẹ má send it sí mi.
Ó gbọ́dọ̀ kọ́kọ́ mọ̀ bóyá òun ni àbó nǹkan.
No. I've seen my face already, so no need. No see. The thing is, I can't just go and see myself after I see the video.
No. That means you have seen the video now. If you have seen your, how do you see yourself? How do you see your
just a screenshot of her face.
The question I want to ask is this. Sorry, everybody, 1 minute. The question I want to ask is this. After that scenario, what was your action?
So what's
I was crying. I was very, very angry. And when she saw that I was crashing out, she now told me that anywhere I want to take them to, I should take them to that. Last, the man is going to sell his camera card to sort me. I was just crying that what's this camera card compared to my name that you guys have tarnished? What are you have more?
Calm down. Calm down.
You won't be able to express.
You
need to calm down.
That's what I'm saying.
You need to calm down.
Is someone with you right now? So snapper away, the kokolo do snapper away. That your snapper that says between
number, mama.
Go and throw that sniper that you said is with you. Go and throw it away.
Calm down. Now, the question I want to
make sure that she is safe and she will not harm herself.
For me, getting a good question.
I cannot sleep, I cannot eat, I cannot remember the last time I ate, I cannot function well. My health is a mess. My life is a mess. We don't want to start from. I'm just starting my life now. I'm still married. I don't have anybody. No friends.
Okay, that number, mama. That number, mama.
Tell me your mommy's number.
I don't want to disappoint these people. I don't even want to rub their name into my mess. I just want them to just be on their own.
Okay, do you have evidence of them threatening her?
I don't want to disappoint everybody. I cannot face them again. I cannot face anybody again. Even my friends. Oh, these people have damaged me.
Can you take water?
I'm with water.
Yeah, take water.
Take water. Oh, yeah, relax.
Okay. Cherry lady yes. Number one, you need to calm down first. Má jà sọ̀yìn bojú kó má bàa kálẹ̀ rí bí ṣe show yìí. You need to calm down. And then see, you will not be the first and you are not going to be the last.
That's it.
As you are talking right now, àwọn kan ṣì wà tán máa ṣe lálẹ́ yìí náà. So please calm down.
That's the
and then if you, all right ma, mo fẹ́ sọ fún pé instead of, okay ma.
Ẹ jẹ́ n sáré béèrè question kan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Jọ aunty, ta ló rìkọ́ọ̀dù Sisi Alagbo àtọkọ ẹ̀?
Okay. Lọ́yà yẹn ti wà ń bí.
OBD lórúkọ wọn OBD.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n máa gbé wọlé sísá. So I'm going to be saved.
Okay, ìwọ lórí kọ́ọ̀dù Sisi Alagbo àti ìyàwó request section.
She asked me to record them.
Okay. Mo ní question for question. 1 minute. Mo ní question for
ẹ̀gbọ́n OBD send request.
Oh my dear, so bí màá yẹn ṣe báwọn náà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló bá ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ló bá lò pọ̀ at the same time ní ọjọ́ yẹn.
So who recorded the woman? Ìgbà tó ń bá tàbí sùn ta ló recorded?
Ó sọ pé òun lòun record woman yẹn ó dáhùn bó fún un ní fóònù àbí. So ẹ̀yin méjèèjì jọ wà lórí bed ó jọ ṣe fẹ́ ẹ̀yin méjèèjì at the same time ni àbí. But calm down.
Calm down.
That's why you are here now.
That's why we are here for you. That's why over 12,000 people who were at the F5.
I want it to be very anonymous. It will make me very suicidal. Once people start calling me, no, they love para me. I don't contain this. I'm a very if you know me, you know these things. I don't have
ọmọ kékeré tó sọ sí torí pé fantasy tiẹ̀ wọ́n ọmọ kékeré tó set ìdí.
Okay. Papa Mayako, mute for a minute. Okay, listen, let me tell you. Before we hear from Ebo Obidi, okay, Yokuro speaker, Kosha Magbawa. See, these emotions you are bringing does not do shit. In case you don't know, you can stay on this live and cry for the next 10 hours. It does not give you the answer that you need. So it's either you want us to say it and talk about it and we get advice and advise you on the way to move forward and give you all the support we can, or you can continue to cry. Oh, Showasori live Wasukuni. You have more than 5K people listening to you. You are there crying. None of us asked you to do what you did. It was you made the decision to do it. To ba le room bye okay lo ba mo mi e pe àwọn people you want fogun you know harass me o wọ́n fẹ́ kin ṣe nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ṣe o. There is nobody in your family that you thought you could go and reach out to. And we're not faulting you. You've made the mistake. But let us hear what we can hear and see how we can help you. Don't come here and be crying. Bó ṣe sunkún yẹn ó fún wa ní headache. Break yourself and jẹ́ ká rọ́rọ̀ sọ.
Torí gbogbo ẹkún yẹn torí má sunkún gbogbo ẹkún yẹn kò mú fìwé mi yìí o gbogbo láìpẹ́ tó mú dání yẹn kò mú fìwé mi rárá.
Ẹgbọ́n jẹ́ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ sà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ti sọ so far. What's your advice, sir?
nǹkan tí mo máa sọ lélẹ̀ gbogbo ẹkún tó ń sun nísìnyí àti issue petition tó ṣẹ̀sọ́ pé òun lọ kọ will be tagged as afterthought. Tí incident bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ní February tí egbèrègbè tí kò kúrò níbẹ̀ kó gba police station lọ wípé àwọn kan invite mi fún sit out. I ended up meeting myself in the hotel tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣe sí mi tó ṣe jẹ́ pé ìgbà tí fídíò ṣe lùjá orí internet nísìnyí ló ṣe wá ń try láti come up with all this kind of insinuation to a reasonable extent wọ́n máa take care wípé afterthought ni and mo fẹ́ pray wípé like I said nígbà tí mo bá madam abẹ́fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan wípé kó má sí consensual communication kankan láàrin wọn prior to now. It is their word against her word. Tó bá di pé wọ́n eventually in fact
2 against 1 yes.
Bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ kò tí ẹ ṣọ̀rọ̀ 2 against 1 èèyàn mẹ́wàá lè gang up against èèyàn kan but tí wọ́n bá ní verifiable fact láti fi push argument ẹnìkan ẹ máa jẹ lọ but tí line of communication bá wà either voice call yìí pé bí àgbà tó pè pé àlágbájá tó jẹ́ pé ẹni tó ti mọ̀ wípé bóyá ó ti ṣe rẹ́ẹ̀rí àbí tẹ́ pọ́ mọ̀ wípé ó rìn ní bèbè ẹ̀ because ọlọ́pàá fúnra wọn nígbà míì tó bá fẹ́ investigate èèyàn tó bá gbọ́ pé èèyàn kan pé ó ń ta igbó àbí ó ń ra gbó wọ́n lè set ẹ̀ up wípé kéèyàn kan lọ ra gbó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ láti fi mọ̀ wípé kíni kan tó ń pè ní entrapment nìyẹn kò dẹ̀ lè wá sí police station láti kò lè wá sí court kó a máa argue wípé òun ò ní intention láti ta gbó wọ́n force òun ta ni tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n bá ní agodo ibi tó ti ń ta gbó níbi tó jẹ́ wípé ìbùngún bí táwọn onígbó máa wà ní jẹ́ kí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ti seduce ẹ̀ wípé kó ta gbó fáwọn tó dẹ̀ ta wọ́n entrap ẹ̀ wọn kò ní argument láti fi exonerate rẹ̀ if there have been prior communication between her àti àwọn people yìí either the wife or the husband in any way tó jẹ́ wípé bóyá there is that insinuation wípé lágbájá yìí ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó lè ṣe threesome ó lè ṣe gbá ó lè ṣàwó lè kó wá bá ṣàsùn tí wọ́n dẹ̀ wá rè wá pé kó wá bá wọn ṣe tó dẹ̀ ṣe ìgbà tó sọ pé wọ́n ń béèrè question lọ́wọ́ ẹlẹ́kan wípé ṣó sọ fún ọ pé òun ò ṣe obviously kò lè sọ fún ọ pé òun ò sọ fún ọ pé òun ò ṣe gbogbo àwọn questions yẹn kọ́ ni nǹkan tó máa tí mo bá choose láti enter into the toga of a lawyer kí n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bí ní question repeatedly ẹ rí wípé gbogbo irọ́ tó bá wà nínú ọkàn ẹ̀ ló máa expose síta but I will not want to be the one láti go into that detail because there is no basis for it having will the sentiment of wípé òun wà suicidal àbí kíníkan ní comment section tẹ́lẹ̀ mo ti ń fẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ wípé argument wà coherent there is incoherent arrangement but mo decide láti pull back mo ṣe fi ní kí n advice ẹ so gbogbo ẹkún tó ń sun yìí kọ́ ni solution sí problem tó ti create fúnra ẹ because orí oko ikún nílẹ̀ kó tó lọ gbin ẹ̀pà sí and that is the basic.